It is Saturday, August 24, 2024, 1:30 p.m. Temperature 95 degrees. I'm at 105 Buckboard Trail in Oak Point, Texas. We're about to start a new project here. I've had a couple updates already. We're still at day zero, kind of in a holding pattern, waiting for the Biax void carton foundation system to be ready for us to install. That's going to take about another week or so. But we're likely going to submit the engineering plans for that system next week so that we can get our building permit and get our electric meter set in our T-pole. Earlier today, we got the security camera mounted. As you can see, it's up there on top of the T-pole. And then just now, we got a temporary sprinkler system put in place. We're going to try to get some water on the lot. We've been in a drought in the North Texas area for a little over 2 months now. And we've had a little bit of rain along the way, but not near what we normally get. And so this ground, as you can see, it's red dirt. It's got a lot of iron in it, which makes it red. It's got some sand in it. As you can see from this part right here, there's some sandy parts to this soil that, allow it to be broken up